Hey guys, Carl Rogers here with the Dwell Realty Group. Really excited to be bringing you this new listing in the heart of Scenic Oaks. Let's go check it out. You're gonna love this spacious home. Over 4,000 square feet. Some of the highlights are vinyl plank flooring. We've got an 8-foot granite countertop center island. This 4-season porch was a great addition in 2016. You can enjoy your morning coffee here, watching sunrises out the back. Large master suite with his and hers closets. So that's 5236 Scenic Oak Drive Southwest. Thanks again for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.